Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study mathematics effectively. Begin by focusing on understanding the why behind mathematical principles, not just memorizing formulas. Spend at least 1/3 of your study time on foundational concepts. This ensures you have a solid base for more complex problems. Think of it like building a house. A strong foundation prevents future collapses. Don't rush through the early stages. Patience here pays off immensely in the long run. Mathematics is a hands-on subject, so active problem solving is crucial. Dedicate at least 2/3 of your study session to working through exercises. Don't just read solutions, try to solve problems yourself first. If you get stuck, review the relevant concepts and try again. This active engagement strengthens your neural pathways and improves retention significantly. Consistent practice builds confidence and speed, essential for mastering complex topics. Consistent review is vital for long-term retention. Set aside 15 to 20 minutes daily for quick reviews of past topics. Spaced repetition, reviewing material at increasing intervals, is highly effective. Explaining a concept to a friend or even to yourself aloud can reveal gaps in your understanding. This active recall process reinforces learning and makes information more accessible during exams. Regular reinforcement prevents knowledge decay. Mathematics can be challenging, and it's perfectly fine to seek assistance. If you're stuck on a problem for more than 15 minutes, ask for help. Collaborating with peers in a study group can offer new perspectives and clarify complex ideas. Tutors or online resources can provide targeted support. Remember, learning is a collaborative process, and leveraging all available tools enhances your journey. Don't struggle in silence. Help is always available.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.